Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can link your Discord and Crunchyroll. Well, once you link your Discord and Crunchyroll, you'll be able to show anime title with its season and episode in real time in Discord. Well, let's see how you can link Discord and Crunchyroll. The first step is launching your favorite browser, and in one of the tabs, just enter crunchyroll.com and press enter like so. Now, after you have logged in to your account, there will be account avatar at the top right section. Just click on it. Now, if you go to settings, here's what it will look like. So we want to connect our Discord to Crunchyroll. So we're gonna need to navigate to connected apps. Here we have option of Discord. Let's click on connect. Now go ahead and enter email and password. Now you need to authorize Crunchyroll. Authorize. Let's go ahead and watch any one of the animes. Continue watching. First, maybe an ad will be played.
我々の通常兵器で
to
は
our Discord.
我らにたちのランクじゃこいつらに勝てない
Now that's how you link Discord and Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding linking Discord and Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.